This is Jakarta, fourth most populated city in the world. This is Gojek, a rideshare, delivery, and on-demand service platform. This is Dito, head of transport at Gojek.
We have a whole suite of lifestyle services, massage, cleaners, beauticians, kind of everything.
So how can a company with more than 20 services, 1 million drivers, and over 25 million monthly users keep things running smoothly? Meet Dan,
Hi.
engineering director, and Eli,
Hey.
senior product manager at Google Maps platform.
We actually go to a lot of the areas where they operate so that we can experience firsthand the challenges that their users see every day. This is me on my first Gojek ride in Jakarta.
You even have the same shirt.
I do.
The team started by integrating Google Maps into the Gojek app.
In-app navigation for our drivers has improved the accuracy of the estimated time to arrival we show to our customers.
But they didn't stop there.
Jakarta has a lot of big roads, but it also has a lot of very small roads.
They're called mouse streets.
These roads are regularly used by scooters, but couldn't be found on maps.
Two-wheelers is the most popular mode of transportation in Indonesia.
So they created the first ever two-wheel directions.
Two-wheeler routes has helped us increase what we call booking conversion rate.
And it was all done in the most familiar way possible.
I think the fact that Google Maps Mobile is so popular here definitely helps us with familiarity.
These results have not just affected a company, but a whole region.
Social impact is a huge part of our DNA. Everyone I talk to is motivated by the same thing, which is to help people.
To really affect urban mobility and improve people's lives, that's literally the mission we have for our team.
If you, Google Maps platform, and the world work together, what could you do?